Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. How are you, my students? I hope you are all well. Are you ready to our lesson today? Who's ready first? All of you ready. Very good. Today we have Surat Al-Alaq. Do you remember Surat Al-Alaq? We said the first surah revealed to Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him. The time of dua, we say the dua in Arabic, then in English. For the dua, you can say it anytime you want. It's no specific time. You can ask Allah about what you want. Let's read the dua in Arabic. وَقُلْ رَبِّ زِدْنِي عِلْمًا. In English, oh my Lord, advance me in knowledge. Increase my knowledge. You ask Allah to increase your knowledge. Your target today, you recite the verses from 6 to 13, applying the rules of Tajweed. Second, find out some of Allah's blessing on humans. Our starter, look at these pictures first. What do you understand from this picture? قال تعالى بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم خلق الإنسان من علق. He created man from a clot of blood. Can you mention the stages of human creation? Who's excellent and tell me? First, second, third, fourth. Recitation of the verses. We have verses from Surah Al-Alaq from verse number 6 to verse number 13. I want you to listen to the verses and read what the meaning. Then we will explain every verse. First, we have some rules of Tajweed. Today our rules of Tajweed about Noon and Mim Mushaddadatayn. I want you to press the link, then you watch the video. Verse number 6. كلا إن الإنسان ليطغى. In fact, the human being oversteps all bounds. What we understand from this verse? Islam prohibited human hurt for himself or other human. أن رآه استغنى. When he considers himself exempt, he will be unfair. You need your Lord always. What do you understand from this two? إن إلى ربك الرجعى. What's the meaning? But to your Lord is return. How can a person return to Allah? Well, in the end, we will all return to Allah Almighty. Glory be to Him. Who can tell me what's the name of the day when we return to Allah? The day of judgment. أرأيت الذي ينهى عبدا إذا صلى. What's the meaning of these two verses? Look at these two pictures. What do you understand from this picture here? Why he making his hand like that? Have you seen him who forbids a servant when he prays? He don't want him to pray. What do you understand from this verse? Who don't want you to pray? Hmm. If someone don't want you to pray, this meaning he want you to be good or no? And if someone want you to pray and he advise you to pray every time, he want you to be happy or no, to be good or no? Because when you pray you get a lot of rewards. Let's link to real life. What are the things that prevent you from maintaining the 5 daily prayers? Can you tell me some of these things? Let's read the verse and the questions here. Think and answer. قال تعالى: أرأيت إن كان على الهدى. Have you seen whether he's on the way of guidance? Who can answer these questions? What are the actions that do not indicate Allah's guidance to you? And what are the actions that indicate Allah's guidance to you? Who's excellent and tell me? First, what are the actions do not indicate Allah guidance? Second, what are the actions that indicates Allah's guidance? I think here we have two questions. Who can tell me why does Islam prohibit injustice? Why did Allah tell us what we will return to Him? Glory be to Him. Because what? Because of what? What we should do? If we know we will return to Allah on the day of judgment. At the end of the lesson, our activities time. First, express your opinion in the following situations. Second, you will recite the verses from 6 to 13 and record it and send it to the teacher. At the third one, what are the actions that indicates Allah guidance to you? I will check who will answer the question today. Thank you, my students. Assalamu alaikum.